fine.
Is that the lyric?
Out of the tree of life, I just picked me a plum. That's how the lyrics.
Yeah. The best is yet to come. Come the day you're mine.
Well, we know that. We know that.
Yeah, right. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Kate.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Oh my.
Is that gonna mess up your teaching?
No, it's not. Nothing messes up my teaching.
Ooh, good answer.
Yes. Bravo. How are you doing,
Bravo.
Jason?
I'm fantastic.
Are you?
How are you?
I'm so good. That was very obnoxious. I'm so sorry that I did that. It's not natural.
You can tell we are vocal coaches because we are dramatic in how we talk.
And articulate.
Articulation.
And let the power of our voice come out
Of your voice.
mouth voice.
And
same
use
thing.
your hands and your bodies. Whatever, I don't know.
Your bodies.
Hey,
Okay.
hit that subscribe button. Follow us. We do crazy stuff around
my
here.
gosh, you
It
guys,
gets
it's
real
so
silly at
much
times.
fun.
It gets real dumb at times, but it gets really informational, really to the point. And I promise you, there are a few vocal coaches on the YouTubes
1000%.
who know as much as we do about
That
this
is
topic
actually
right now.
very, very true. Not bragging on ourselves.
That's
We
bragging.
have just taken care of voices all around the world because we've healed them from old vocal coaches doing incorrect technique and teaching for their voices. That's
but also having the best mentors in the world teach us what
in
we
the
know.
world.
And also just doing it ourselves.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So
We
that's
walk the
you're right.
walk.
That's not bragging. We're just like we're here to help you and we want to.
Exactly.
And we stand confidently in our ability to do so. So hit those
do
buttons.
so.
Subscribe.
Hit out.
Subscribe. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram,
Oh my.
Patreon, TikTok. TikTok. Why am I being violent to you?
I don't know. There's the hashtag Me Too still going on because I'll jump on that bandwagon with you. Oh my gosh. I felt like I was in Babes in Toyland and I was one of the toys of like being squished down
I mean, it just felt like a button to punch.
to punch. A
Oh,
button to
I should have just
punch,
tapped.
you guys.
Tap.
Not
I should have tapped.
push, punch.
Yeah.
Anyways, okay, I'm going back to my crush. You guys,
Who dat?
Jimin.
Oh, that means we're going to
BTS.
the land of South
Yet
Korea,
to
BTS, K-pop
come.
world.
The most beautiful moment. I've not seen this one.
Me either.
I'm not even gonna follow
Are
you
you
anymore.
so ready? Are you so
So
ready?
ready.
Hit that button. I'm not tickle me.
What is that?
Oh, that's
Sand dunes.
stunning. That is so cool looking. I love how South Korean videos have such color.
Oh my gosh, right? Their visuals
The
are
K-pop world has so much color. Oh,
What?
here you go. It's gonna be good.
insane. Whoever writes the storylines.
Was it honestly the best? Cause I just wanna see 부지런히 지나온
There he is.
You're the best one, so see the worst. But my best is what comes next. I'm not playing that for sure. 그날을 향해 숨이 벅차게 You and our best moment is yet to come. Moment is yet to come. Yeah. 다들 언제부턴가 마음에 우리 최고라고 멈춰낼 수 없는 일 이제 무겁기만 해 노래가 좋았다고 그저 달랠 뿐이라고 Promise I will keep on coming back for more 너의 마음속 깊은 어딘가 여전한 소명이 있어 Moment is yet to come, yet to come 당신의 꿈꾸는가 그 길의 끝이 무엇일까 Moment is yet to come 몸에 숨긴 밤 우린 발을 멈추지 않아 Yet to come
Whoa. Crazy figure.
Yeah. Whoa.
Cool vision. Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, like some CGI, right? That's cool.
별로 없다면 you say 썰은 나에게 난 변화는 많았지만 변함은 없었다 해 어느 샷도 매 순간이 새로운 트레서 지금 난 마치 그 세상 그때 나처럼 아직도 배울 게 많고 나 인생 채울 게 많아 그 이유를 물어본다면 내 심장이 말하잖아 We ain't about it 이 세상의 기대 We ain't about it 최고란 기준 내 스타일 We ain't about it 원감각 없어 많은 trophy We ain't about it Dream and hope and going for it We know about it 긴긴 원을 돌아 결국 또 제자리 Back to one
There he is.
Got a new haircut. Said haircut. Definitely a lot of like moving imagery, which means you gotta stay in motion, gotta keep moving forward.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's not done.
I'm not stopping it. I just got my finger there. Now?
No,
Oh.
the video's not done. Is this a still frame? Oh no, they're moving.
Looks like a young Michael Jackson right there.
Yeah, yes, it does.
There we go.
Yeah,
Yet to come, the most beautiful moment.
the most beautiful moment. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I liked it, but it wasn't my favorite of theirs.
No,
I thought
mean,
it was really cool.
It's super cool. I mean, there's nothing.
There's nothing crazy special about it.
Well, it's just a straightforward pop song.
Yeah.
Great visuals, great vocals, great
Visuals were awesome.
great
We know the vocals are
great
gonna
production
be fun.
and video.
Yeah.
It's
Maybe
not
I'm
like
bitter
that.
because I didn't see Jimin as much.
I think that's why.
Maybe.
And maybe because it's not going to be their biggest hit, probably.
Right.
But everything's great in there. It just nothing wowed me.
But I do love what you said with everything's moving forward, right? So
Yeah.
yet to come, obviously, like we all hear our friends, our family, mentors say, hey, keep going, the best is yet to come. And so there is that constant moving forward. So I do love that they did show that in the
Not
video
only in the
really
lyric,
well.
but also in the visuals, right?
Yeah,
like
totally.
just keep moving, keep going. If you're, your favorite artists, most of them, I do believe, put out music along the way to encourage you to change culture, to be better, to dream, to be encouraged. Like this is
great
really
message.
the power of
Great
music.
message.
And that's what this song does,
it's a
right?
great
And it's a
message.
great message just saying to all the BTS army,
Yeah.
to all of us, to everyone in the world,
Yeah.
just keep going, keep believing, keep
It's like
dreaming.
that check-in. It's like when you check in, you know,
that's
like,
it.
hey, like, let's check in with ourselves,
Yeah,
right?
because the best is yet to come if you really believe that.
Totally.
Because you'll go after it. And maybe that's what this song was intended to be, a check-in with the fans.
Yeah.
To be like, just keep going.
You know what?
It's been a hard
1,000%.
few years.
Yeah.
The
So
best is yet to
I
come.
actually respect that now that, like, I wasn't blown away vocally like I have been before in some of their songs, but with you saying exactly that, like this being for the fans versus for them, with the message that it has, I love that. I love that turn on it.
That's
that
why I'm
pivot.
here.
I
That's
know.
why I'm in your life.
It is. You help me pivot.
You all have no idea.
No idea. No.
Hey, another great solid performance from BTS.
So good.
It was
so,
great.
So good.
Really great.
We love you guys, BTS Army.
love
Y'all are
the BTS
best.
Army.
Thanks for
So
sending this
good.
our way.
Woo! Hey, until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
Collective.